to Study Panel. This is Devendra Sijala from Kendriya Vidyalaya Rajkot. In today's video, we shall start part 3 of our chapter My Fun Day. Now, dear students, if you have not watched our previous part by clicking on the link over here, you can watch part 2. Dear students, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe it. Let us move on to the part 3. Now, in this part, we are going to learn about months of the year. As we all know that there are total 12 months in a year, and the name is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Current month is November, and one month, the last month of the year is December. Now let us move on to the detailed study about this month. Write the names of 5 festivals that you and your friends celebrate. Also write the months in which these festivals come. See, dear students, if you recall that few days back we had a festival, and the name of that festival was, if you can remember, uh, if you can answer the question, then please type it in the chat box that which festival did you celebrate day before yesterday or day before some days. Now let us move on to the name of the festivals and months in which come. See, if we are talking about festivals, we can say that a few days later there was Diwali, New Year. Now let us see Diwali, October, November. Most probably we can see that Diwali comes in October or in November month, at the end of the October or in starting of at the beginning of the November month. Now move on to the next. Holi in March. We all know that before Holi also we are having one very good festival, kite festival on Makar Sankranti in January. This is Makar Sankranti in January. Makar Sankranti comes on 14th January of every year. Christmas on 25th of December we celebrate, so in December. Here we have to write the name of the months, and here we will write the festivals. Last one, Raksha Bandhan. Most probably it comes in the month of August. So you can also write some more festivals if you can. In the chat box also you can answer this. Now let us move on and fill in these blanks. Name of some of the months are missing in the list given below. Fill in names of those months. See, these are the months. So January, February. Now after February it is March, April, then May, June. We are having vacations in May, June, July, August, September, October. Then in this dash, what shall we write? You can answer me in the chat box. What I have to write over here? It is November, then December, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now I have written name of months over here to get the answer of these blanks easily. Let us move on to these blanks. First one is, look at calendar to find out. See, this is a calendar. Now we will find out here which is the first month of the year. If you know, surely you can answer in the chat box. Which is the first month of the year? We have written the order over here for the months. Now the first month is January, so we'll write January. Which month comes after March? So this is March, and after March there is April. Which month comes before August? See, this is August, and before August is July. Which month is the last month of the year? 12th month is the last month of the year, and it is December. Likewise we have to write. See, जब भी आपको ऐसा मतलब फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में कुछ कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है तो आप अपने आप ही मत काउंट कीजिए उसको। क्या कीजिए कि इस तरह सभी महीनों के नाम एक पहले लिख लीजिए, उसके बाद आपको क्या है उसको ऑर्डर दे दीजिए, तब उसका आंसर आपके लिए फाइंड आउट करना बहुत आसान हो जाएगा। लेट अस मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट slide. February is different. How it is different? Because we can see that all other months in a year are of 31 days or 30 days, whereas February is only, some years it may have 28 days or some 28 days. So now let us see, 4 months have 30 days. Which 4 months? See, this is April, June, April, June, September and November. These 4 months are having 30 days. and 7 months have 31 days. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These 7 months are having 31 days, but February is the shortest month. Why? Because it has 28 or 29 days. In some year it jumps for a fun. कभी कभी कुछ सालों में क्या है कि ज्यादातर सभी सालों में उसके 28 डेज ही रहते हैं, कभी कभी वो जंप कर देता है फन के लिए तो 29 डेज भी हो जाते हैं. लॉन्ग मंथ्स हैव 31 डेज एंड शॉर्ट मंथ्स हैव 30 डेज. यस. Now let us move to the next slide and fill in these blanks. Look at the calendar to find out which months have 30 days. We have already written here. See these months: April, June, September, November. These. Here July is wrong answer, so we'll remove this answer. Yes, July is not correct answer, so we'll remove this. Done. Now move on to the next. How many months have 31 days? Let's see. See, January, March, May, July, August, October and December are having 31 days, total 7 months. Now, how many days are there in February? In February, there are see, this is February 2021, so there are 28 days in a February. How many days together are there in May and June? May and June, let us see. This is May and this is June, so 31 plus 30 is 61 days in May and June. How many Sundays are there in July? See, this is July, so we'll see this is Sunday. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 Sundays in July. What is the day on your birthday? This you have to write it by your own. If I can say my birthday, that my birthday is on Friday. Now let us see, find out how many days do you get for your summer holidays. For summer holidays, we get 50 days vacation. Now, how many winter holidays do you have? See, usually in winter and autumn break, we are having 10 days. Now, but this year we will get 11 days in our winter break, but usually it is 10 days. So we'll write 10 days here. Now, blow hot, blow cold. I am Ashraf. I live in Kashmir. Most of the time here, the wind is very cold. It makes my teeth chatter. I like to sit in the sun or near a fire. Now, कश्मीर में तो मतलब इतनी बर्फबारी होती है तो उनको क्या अच्छा लगता है, आग का जो वो होता है उसके पास बैठना उनको अच्छा लगता है ताकि उनको गर्मी मिलती रहे. Now, I am Lakshmi. I live in Chennai. These days the sun is too hot. My feet burn if I walk barefoot. I like to sit in a pool. लक्ष्मी जो है चेन्नई में रहती है, वहां पर इतनी गर्मी होती है कि मतलब जो है उनको जो है खुले पांव वो लोग सड़क पर चल नहीं सकते क्योंकि जल जाएंगे पांव उनके, और उनको जो पानी का वो पूल होता है उसमें बैठना अच्छा लगता है. Now the third one. I am Rubaiya. I am in Meghalaya. Here the rains just don't stop. The sun is hiding behind dark cloud. मेघालय ऐसा स्टेट है इंडिया का जहां इतनी ज्यादा बारिश होती है कि वहां जो है आपको सूरज दिखना ही मुश्किल हो जाता है. Now, have you ever felt? See, this you have to feel an answer. First of all, you should listen the question very carefully, then answer in the chat box. Your teeth chattering due to cold? Yes or no? Obviously, due to cold जो है सबके दांत जो है वो थरथराते हैं. So I'll write yes. Your feet feel hot on walking barefoot. क्या आप खुले पांव जब चलते हैं तो आपको क्या गर्माहट महसूस होती है अपने पांव में? Obviously yes. In summer season we do feel that. Name one month when you can easily walk barefoot. आप खुले पांव ऐसे कौन से महीने में है जो आप खुले पांव जो है आराम से चल सकते हैं? बारिश के महीनों में, जनवरी में जब सर्दियां ज्यादा होती है तब भी हम खुले पांव आराम से धूप में चल सकते हैं. अगस्त जब बारिश ज्यादा होती है तब भी हम जो है दोपहर के समय खुले पांव चल सकते हैं. Have you seen it raining for many days? Sorry, in Gujarat it is not possible. But in many states, in many South Indian states and many Northeast states, it rains for many days. Now, in which month does it rain the most in your area? In our area, mostly In August, we have the most of the rain in our area. Which are the hottest months in your area? See, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए कि सबसे ज्यादा गर्मी कब होती है। जब हमारी गर्मियों की छुट्टी होती है तभी तो उसको गर्मियों की छुट्टी कहते हैं। मई और जून में। मई में सबसे ज्यादा जो है हमारी गर्मी होती है। विच आर द कोल्डेस्ट मंथ इन योर एरिया? सबसे ज्यादा ठंड वाला महीना देखा जाए तो दिसंबर और जनवरी, ये दोनों महीने रहते हैं। दिसंबर एंड जनवरी में सबसे ज्यादा सर्दी होती है। जनवरी के बाद जो है सर्दियां खत्म हो जाती है। नाउ this you have to do by your own. Which fruits and vegetables are seen a lot in the market in these months? Right or draw? See, these are the months. So you have to write it here. In May and June, what fruits and what vegetables do you get from the market? You have to make a list of it. I have done one for you: mango, watermelon, grapes, and plum. See, these vegetables, fruits, and these vegetables in January and December. This you have to write it by yourself. Okay, so this is your homework and you have to complete all these in your notebook. Thank you all of you. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe with